I am Lakshman Gugulothu, CEO with BSE SME Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is going to launch SME Exchange very soon. We have got in principle approval from the SEBI on May 24th, and SEBI team has inspected on June 20th, and we are waiting for the final approval of the SEBI for to launch our exchange. Once we get the approval in couple of months, we should be able to launch exchange, and before that we intend to cover SMEs spread in nook and corner of the country as well as the investors in a big way. This SME exchange is conceived after studying the best of the SME exchanges elsewhere in the world, and from whatever the OTC experience and learnings are there, and based on the Indian market realities, this SME exchange has been formulated by the regulators. And whatever the exchange platform that is made ready by the Bombay Stock Exchange is also done keeping in view the realities of the market. One good thing for the SMEs is 3 years profit making criteria of the main board has been waived for them. I mean, all of us know that SMEs come in different sizes, from very small to very big. The Government of India definition says that 10 crores paid up capital for the manufacturing sector and 5 crores for the services sector for the medium enterprises. But this has been enlarged and extended to cover up to 25 crores paid up capital. So this segment will have very small SMEs to SMEs with share capital as large as 25 crores. That's a huge segment of the companies it covers. And this waiver of 3 years profit making criteria is going to help the SMEs think of listing an SME exchange in a big way and raise equity capital for their capital requirements. There is a significant departure from the main board norms. We have been seeing on the main board that there are so many IPOs on the main board are failing, like Baswani, Galaxy and so many others. And there are so many people with SEBI card, but they are not able to bring the IPOs for various reasons. And considering the difficulties of the SMEs, the regulators have made it, there is a concept called 100% underwriting that is going to ensure that the SMEs are going to be successfully listed on the SME exchange, irrespective of the issue is fully subscribed or not. The lead merchant banker and his team of sub-underwriters are going to 100% underwrite, and lead merchant banker has to write 15% in his own book of accounts. And this will help SMEs to get listed on the SME exchange despite the constraints that can happen in the market. The other significant departure from the main board is there are a lot of scripts on the main board which are illiquid. And considering that the SMEs are small and the number of shares that will be floated for the public will be small, to ensuring a liquidity and ensure that there is a trading from time to time in the scripts, a concept of market making has been brought in the SME exchange. The members of the exchange with minimum 3 years experience, minimum 5 crores net worth can be considered for market making. They have to give an undertaking to the exchange, and then they will be empaneled. And the merchant banker has to take the responsibility of secondary market as well besides primary market for the market making, and he has to ensure 3 years market making happens in the scripts the IPOs he is going to bring. And there can be 5 market makers for the scripts, and the market makers have to quote for 75% of the time, and even the market makers can compete among themselves for buy and sell. And this is going to help the SMEs in a big way by way of liquidity in the secondary market.